project I've been working on the R1 2018. This is a new bike. It's only got about 20 miles on the clock, and the wing mirrors on it I have replaced with a digital solution. So just to show you, just turn the bike on. Beautiful display. And then down here there's a little switch in the fairing. Turn that on, you get the wing mirrors come to life. And on this side you've got SatNav, and on this side, you can't quite see it there, you've got the rear view camera. The rear view camera is just mounted neatly here on the back of the bike. Needs a little bit of paintwork on the mount, but that then feeds back to here with a high definition camera so you can see what's going on behind you. Flick the switch off, that screen goes off, that screen goes off. But I think they look quite sweet. All mounted within the original casing of the R1 wing mirrors.